Hello children, shall we begin our class with a funny and tricky riddle? I am a sense organ who has 12 months. Who am I? Yes, you are right, ear. We are all aware that ear helps us to hear. Now, look at these animals. Do you find any difference in these animals? Aren't they looking funny? Why? Yes, you are right. They have wrong ears. Shall we correct it? Yeah, now they are looking perfect. Now, again, one more fun activity. You have to identify the animals as I give you the hints. Shall we begin? An animal with hand fan like ears.
Yes, you're right. An elephant.
An animal with ears like leaves. Yes, you're right. It's deer. An animal with ears on the top of its head. Who is that? Yes, you're right, hare. Next one is an animal with ears on both sides of its head. Who is that? Yes, you are right, buffalo. There are many animals who have ears on both sides of their head. Here we have taken buffalo. It was fun, right? We never thought seriously about the positioning of ears and the shape of ears. Keep wondering. Our fun continues. Do you think all the animals have ears? Have you seen them? You have to give me thumbs up as I call out the names of the animals if you are sure about animals having ears. Shall we begin? A dog, a pigeon, a lion, a snake, a lizard, a cat, a rat, a buffalo, a duck, a fish, an ant, a chameleon, and a frog. Now I understood. You are not sure whether animals have ears or not. Come, let's check which are the animals that have ears but not visible. Visible means able to see. That means we can see. Dear children, in some animals we can see the ears easily, but in some animals we can't see the ears easily. For example, this is an ostrich. Can you see the ear of the ostrich here? It's not prominent here. Observe the ear of an eagle. See here, a small hole-like structure is hidden under the feathers. Same with cockatiel. The ear is hidden below the feathers. Observe the ear of the frog. It looks like a circular patch. It's hard to see. Observe the ear of the crocodile. It looks like a small line here. Next one is the garden lizard. Here also the ear looks like a small dot. The next one is lizard. Observe the small hole here. What about ants? Ants do not have ears. They sense with the help of vibrations. What about this? I'm not going to tell you. You have to find out and document it. One more question, children. A baby's ears are pierced, right? Is it to wear earrings and to look smart? There is a scientific reason behind it. You have to find it out and document it. When you come back, you will have lot of information to share with me. I am here with one more fun activity. Shall we guess the animals by looking at the patterns on their body? Look at the pattern here. Yes, you are right. It's zebra. The next one here. Yeah, you are right. The tiger, the national animal of our country. The next one. Observe the pattern.
Yeah, you are right. It's giraffe.
Here comes one more fascinating animal. Observe the pattern. Yes, you are right. The fastest running animal, cheetah. Children, you guessed all the animals correctly. Can we imagine all these animals without patterns? They may not look so fascinating, right? Come, let's check how they would look without the patterns. Can you guess this animal? Horse? No, this is not horse. See who is here? Zebra. The next one? Yes, it's giraffe, an animal who can clean its ears with its tongue. Giraffe. The next one? Yes, it's the fastest running animal, cheetah. This one? It is the tiger.
Do you know the importance of patterns on the body of animals, children? Patterns help the predator to hide and hunt the prey. Patterns help the prey to hide from the predators.
Lion is the predator and deer is the prey for the lion. You have to tell me who is the predator and who is the prey here. The lizard is the predator and the moth is the prey for the predator, lizard. Can you observe which animal is hiding here? Yes, you are right. An owl. Observe one more interesting animal here. Yes, you are right. It's a frog.
One more interesting fact to find out. We keep hearing about our great soldiers. They are the true heroes. Have you observed the color and prints which is on their uniform? There is some reason behind it. Find out, make a note of it, and you can make it interesting with pictures.
Children, in this session, we learnt about the importance of patterns on animals' body. We learnt about the meaning of prey and predator. In the coming session, we'll learn more about other fascinating facts about animals. Until then, keep learning. Bye.